Hey guys, welcome back. So today I will be reviewing these LASFIT Pros for your custom Silverado 2020. So keep watching. Alright, so check this out guys. So LASFIT actually reached out to me. They asked me if I could review these for them. So I said, why not? I thought that was pretty cool that they actually saw my last video and saw that I use their products a lot. So thanks a lot, LASFIT, for sending me these. But moving along, let's see what these offer. So right out the box, we get the instructions. So all that comes with it is 4 pieces, 2 covers for each side, and 1 low beam LED bulb for each side. Now these should be plug and play. That's the whole reason why we're doing this video, to see how easy it is to install these. Now these specific custom LED bulbs are only for a 2019 to a 2020 Silverado custom. They are dual fan design, 1 fan that comes with the LED bulb itself, and another fan that's actually integrated in the cover itself. Guaranteed to keep these LEDs cool at all times and making them last a lot longer. These are 50 watt 5000 lumens. Right off the back, these are going to be a lot brighter than the stock halogen bulbs that come with your truck. And these should also be a lot brighter than a lot of aftermarket LED bulbs that are out there now. I wanted to compare these to actual halogen bulbs, but currently I've already switched out my headlights, obviously, to LEDs. And long story short, I actually installed some cheap low beam LED bulbs in it. Didn't last me long, but I ended up switching them out for LASFIT bulbs and haven't had a problem since. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these on for now, and I'm going to compare them to the kit they sent me. So as you can see, these are my current bulbs that I have in it, and as you can see, it's the same brand I'm about to install now. And these are just the regular bulbs, which work really great. But let's see how these look compared to the ones I have on now. Comes with these protective caps that of course you got to remove before you install. As you can see, this one says pass and this one says DRV. That does matter. This would be for the passenger side and this would be for the driver's side. Trust me, you're gonna want to make sure you put it on the correct side, because it is gonna be a pain to put it on. It will fit, but it's not gonna fit correctly. I'm not saying I have experience on doing that on accident, maybe, but it'll save you the trouble if you pay attention to that right off the back. And just like the other bulbs, it has the 3 grooves that you have to make sure you match up. So just be careful and be patient and put them in correctly, because you don't want to break them. Now, due to the shape of these LEDs, you're going to find out that the first thing you need to do is stick this harness in and then put the LED bulb and lock it in place. And don't worry too much of how this is in place, because that doesn't matter. As long as you have the LED in place locked in, you're good to go. This is why we put our harness in first, because if we did not, it would be really hard to get in this little groove, and chances are you're either going to damage the wire or the back of the LED itself. Once that's done, just attach the last little harness that's connected to the LED to the actual dust cover to power on the fan and the LED itself. Then we just snap this in place, but before we do that, be sure that the arrow that says down is actually pointing down before you completely put the dust cover on the headlight itself. And there we have the passenger light already installed. Now this is with the lights off. As you can see, the right side is a lot brighter, which is the one we installed, but you could definitely see the difference between the two. So now let's finish the install and see what they both look like. Now you can't really see too well, but this is the driver's side. Again, just make sure the down is pointing down like it's supposed to once you're done installing both sides. Now that we got both LEDs on, just double check that those LEDs are facing forward. There's the passenger side, and there goes the driver's side. So as you can see, both of them look pretty bright. So overall, it does make a difference, as you can see. Now we're gonna see what it looks like on the road. So that's what it looks like all together. I wish I was honestly on a darker road. It does make a difference between the regular LASFIT bulbs that I had just now versus the LASFIT Pro. And there you have it guys, that easy. My honest opinion, this is a plug and play. It does not take long, takes less than 5 minutes to put both passenger and driver side. Overall, I'm pretty sure these are gonna last a lot longer than the ones I already had on it. But my honest opinion, if you're just looking for something bright, good enough to get away with, and you don't wanna spend too much, then you could easily just get their H11s that LASFIT makes for the bulbs for this truck. Or you can buy the LASFIT Pro kit that I just showed you how to install if you're gonna want something that's gonna last you longer and more durable. So if you're interested in this kit, the link will be dropped in the description. And not to mention, LASFIT was nice enough to send me a discount code, which should be 10% off this kit itself and most other products that they offer. So feel free to use that code and enjoy their products, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you see. If you haven't subscribed already, please show your support by doing so. And like always, God bless all of y'all, and we'll see you on the next video.